Is Windows failing to load because of the Rdpudd Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. To start the walkthrough for Rdpudd Library, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the Rdpudd Library, the remote desktop RDP user mode display driver. It manages the unmanaged capture of the desktop frame buffer and facilitates the real-time encoding of video manifests for transmission over the RDP data link to remote clients. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. This is a Windows system integrity error involving a core library. I suggest using the system file checker by running sfc/scan now in an administrator command prompt to let the system automatically heal files like Rdpudd Library DLL. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Rdpudd library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Replacing Rdpudd library without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. The official utility referenced below outlines an approach to managing Rdpudd library within a Windows library environment. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Rdpudd library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.